Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel, the greatest dancehall show on earth. Sting returned, but the big headliners, Amari and Queenie were, I guess, for gimmicks. To be honest, I didn't take the promoter seriously when they had these two to clash each other. Sting is not about gimmicks, it's about showing your talent and the clash culture in Jamaica. A lot of Sting fans were a bit in their feelings about this part of the show, and who would blame them? Amari came out not to lyrically clash, but to fight. She started her part of the show with some colorful diss words for Queenie, and quote, "Awe the duddy gal de." Queenie then made a grand entrance, in what appeared to be a wedding gown, during which Amari ran up in her face, calling her duddy bungle. Queenie did her usual running over the stage while singing a part of her song, Double Tap. Amari followed suit and picked up the veil that Queenie threw to the floor. I'm sorry that I'm not showing the video, but due to copyright, I'm afraid that YouTube might strike my channel. Because of course YouTube have guidelines, so I'm trying to stick to it. Anyways, let me tell you what else Amari did. She threw Queenie's veil into the crowd, and went in Queenie's face and continued to call her a duddy bungle and pulled at Queenie's dress. Queenie then asked her if she's crazy. Queenie then says, she's threatened. Then Queenie run to the front of the stage, bends over, and says one at a time. Amari then draws off Queenie's tiara. Then Queenie removes Amari wig. It just wasn't how a clash would normally follow suit. It almost became a clown show, to be honest. Amari and Queenie should have an event like that for themselves because people didn't pay their money to see gimmicks and fighting. Sting is about raw dancehall talent being showcased and the disses. Some artists get to prove how really talented they are through this event. But I guess some artists are showing us that they didn't put in the work, which is why Vybz Kartel will always be talked about. The man perfected his craft. He was obsessed with music, which is why he had so many unreleased songs. Those artists actually put in the work in their craft. I'm not just saying that because it's Vybz Kartel either, but because he actually put in the work. Now, it is these artists are like microwave popcorn. They don't want to build the foundation of their careers and learn from the vets. Just here I am now. Anyways, what do you think about the Queenie Amari Sting clash? Was it worth the hype or were you appalled? Let me know what you think.